Today, the channel is packed with exciting new releases. In today's video, we're covering the top 5 new RC cars of 2026. Which one matches your budget and style? After extensive research across multiple sources, I've put together a list of options that suit different types of buyers. Whether you care most about price, performance, or a specific use case, this video will help guide your choice. For more details about each product, you'll find links in the description below. Keep in mind, this is not a full review video, it's a product showcase. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The ARRMA Typhon Grom 4x4 3 SBL X Brushless Buggy RTR is a compact, small-scale RC car built for big performance and bash-anywhere fun. Its portable size makes it easy to run in tight spaces, backyards, parks, or skate areas, without sacrificing speed or durability. It features a powerful brushless 4x4 drivetrain and is 2S and 3S LiPo ready, giving you flexible performance. Beginners can start with a 2S battery for manageable speed, while experienced drivers can switch to 3S for strong acceleration and higher top speeds. To keep drivers in control, it includes Spectrum Dynamic Stability Control, DSC, and throttle limiting, helping reduce spinouts and making it easier to learn and drive confidently on different surfaces. Unlike many small-scale models, this buggy comes with several popular upgrade parts already installed, adding strength and performance right out of the box. It's fully ready to run, and all you need to add is your choice of IC2 compatible battery and charger. Then you're ready to drive. Number 4. The ARRMA 1/16 Mojave Grom 223 SDSC 4x4 RTR is a small-scale desert truck that delivers big RC performance in a compact, bash-anywhere size. Designed for fun on dirt, gravel, and pavement, it combines rugged styling with strong durability and responsive handling. It features a brushless 4x4 power system and is ready for both 2S and 3S LiPo batteries, giving drivers flexible speed options. New drivers can run 2S for smooth, manageable performance, while experienced users can upgrade to 3S for faster acceleration and higher top speeds. To help maintain control, it includes Spectrum Dynamic Stability Control and built-in throttle limiting. These systems make driving easier by reducing oversteer and spinouts, allowing beginners to build confidence while still giving advanced users room to push harder. Several popular option parts are already included from the factory, improving strength and performance right out of the box. This RTR package comes complete with a 2S LiPo battery and a convenient USB-C charger, so you can get up and running quickly with minimal setup and maximum fun. Number 3. The Aero 1/10 Brushless RC Monster Truck is built for drivers who want extreme speed, strength, and all-terrain performance. Designed for ages 8 and up, this powerful four-wheel drive truck can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour, delivering intense high-speed action on grass, gravel, and dirt. At its core is a high-performance 3,652,650 kV brushless motor with metal heatsink and cooling fan, paired with a 60-ampere ESC and optimized gearing for rapid acceleration and strong top-end speed. A high-torque 11-kilogram metal gear servo and built-in gyroscope provide fast response and improved stability at high speeds. The drivetrain is engineered for efficiency and durability, featuring a CNC central differential, reinforced intermediate differential shaft, and precision CNC gears that ensure smooth power transfer while reducing noise and wear. Built tough for hard bashing, it includes a 2.5mm hardened aluminum alloy chassis, reinforced swing arm mounts, carbon fiber upper plate and shock towers, plus strengthened AA arm suspension components for demanding terrain. Oil-filled adjustable shocks and multi-terrain airless tires keep the truck stable and controlled across rough surfaces, while the protective composite front bumper adds extra impact resistance during aggressive runs. This is a monster truck made for serious performance and rugged fun. Number 2. The UDIRC Fast RC 1-16 monster truck is built for speed, durability, and all-terrain fun. Ready to run out of the box, it hits speeds up to 22 miles per hour and handles grass, dirt, and gravel with ease. Perfect for drifting, jumping, and pulling off wild stunts anywhere you go. Inside, it features hobby-grade metal components, including a reinforced drivetrain and precision ball bearings, designed to withstand crashes and hard landings. The independent four-wheel suspension and oil-filled shocks deliver smooth control, responsive steering, and race-level stability. It's also fully upgradable. With optional brushless kits, you can boost performance to 31 or even 56 miles per hour, making it a great platform for learning RC customization while growing your skills. You get 2 rechargeable batteries for extended playtime, a beginner speed mode for safe learning, and a 1-year worry-free warranty with full support. It's power, performance, and progression in one exciting package. Number 1. The ARRMA Mini Kraton 3S BLX 1/16 4x4 packs full-scale ARRMA, bashing DNA into a compact, ultra-tough monster truck. Powered by a high-performance brushless system and 4WD drivetrain, it delivers explosive acceleration, sharp handling, and serious off-road capability in a small but aggressive package. ARRMA's exclusive PowerGuard system lets you safely run a 3S LiPo battery, while the power key unlocks its full potential when you're ready for maximum performance. Built to take punishment, the reinforced chassis and durable components are engineered to survive crashes, jumps, and rough terrain with confidence. Ready to run out of the box, the Mini Kraton is fast, responsive, and incredibly fun for both beginners stepping into brushless power and experienced drivers who want a portable basher with pro-level attitude. If you want extreme performance, legendary ARRMA durability, and all-terrain excitement in a 1/16 scale machine, the Mini Kraton is ready to send it. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.